Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today, in the last video you saw about the Greater Himalaya, Lesser Himalaya and Outer Himalaya and the Karakoram Range mountains. Now we are going to see about the life of this region. So Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh lie in the Himalayas and Karakoram Range. The Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some parts of Arunachal Pradesh are in the Himalayas. Now, the farming is the main occupation of the people. Due to the lack of the land, farmers cut steps or terrace along the slopes. On these steps, they grow rice, maize, barley and potatoes. Such farming is called as terrace farming. Some people also engage in ship rearing and wood carving. Now we can see the different states. What are the famous things? Famous places, tourist attraction, their dresses and speciality in some particular state. Before that, I want to explain you that what is mean by orchards and orchids. Okay. Now I am going to explain you about the first orchids. Orchids is a flowering plant whose flowers are bright with an unusual shapes. See the board. Orchids are flowering plant whose flowers are bright with an unusual shapes. Is it? See the shape, different types of shape. I think you would have been seeing all these flowers. So this is also one of the cultivation in these Himalayan states. Okay, next one, orchards. Orchards means a garden or an area of land to the cultivation of fruit and nut trees. For example, mango trees, mango orchards, apple orchards. See the apple orchard. See apple orchards. The cultivation of the mango or tree, mango or apple, it is known as a orchards. Again I will tell you, a garden on an area of land to the cultivation of fruit or nut trees. Example, mango orchards. Next we can see the Himalayan regions, life of this states, life of this region, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. First we can see about the famous places of these states. First one is famous for, Jammu and Kashmir is famous for apple orchards and saffron cultivation. Apple orchards and saffron cultivation. Ladakh is famous for its beautiful scenery and barren mountains. Ladakh is famous for its beautiful scenery and barren mountains. Next, Himachal Pradesh is famous for apple orchards. Himachal Pradesh is famous for apple orchards. Next one is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is famous for basmati rice, lychees and plums. It is famous for basmati rice, lychees and plums. Last one is Sikkim. Sikkim is famous for oranges, cardamom and orchids. Sikkim is famous for oranges, cardamom and orchids. Next one we can see the dresses, traditional dress of these states. Jammu and Kashmir, men and women wear long woolen kurta called firan. Men and women wear long woolen kurta called firan. Next, Ladakh, men wear a thick woolen robe called gocha and women wear a robe called kantop. Men wear a thick woolen robe called gocha and women wear a robe called kantop. Next state, that is Himachal Pradesh, men wear embroidered caps called kulu. Men wear embroidered caps called kulu and women wear scarves called dasu. And women wear scarves called dasu. Next state is Uttarakhand. In Uttarakhand, men wear mirjai type, that is one type of kurta and pajama. Men wear mirjai, a type of kurta and pajama. Women wear angadi and gagra. Women wear angadi and gagra. Next, Sikkim. Both men and women wear a loose gown fastened at waist called baku. Men and women wear a loose gown fastened at waist called baku. Next we can go to the tourist attraction. So Jammu and the tourist attraction of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar and Gulmarg. Srinagar and Gulmarg. In Ladakh, the Zanskar Valley and Pangong Lake and Leh Palace. In Ladakh, the famous tourist attraction is the Zanskar Valley, Pangong Lake and Leh Palace. In Himachal Pradesh, the tourist attraction is Simla, Dalhousie and Manali. The tourist attraction of Himachal Pradesh is Simla, Dalhousie and Manali. Shimla, Dalhousie and Manali. Next, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand, the famous tourist attraction is Mussoorie, Nainital, Haridwar. Mussoorie, Nainital and Haridwar. The famous tourist attraction of Sikkim is Gangtok and Pelling. The famous tourist attraction of Sikkim is Gangtok and Pelling. Now we can see the speciality of this region. We can see the speciality. What is the special thing they do? In Jammu and Kashmir, people drink a special drink. That is a special type of tea called kahwa. People drink a special type of tea. It is called kahwa. And the people, they use kangri. They use kangri to keep themselves warm because it is a very cold place. So they use kangri to make themselves warm. Next we can see the Ladakh. It is special there. What is that? The double humped camel. You know about the camel, but the double humped camel is only found in this area, that is in Ladakh in India. Next, Himachal Pradesh. The special thing in Himachal Pradesh is the most famous festival, that is Kulu Dasera. The most famous festival is Kulu Dasera. Next, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is famous for woolen shawls and scarves, etc. Uttarakhand is famous for woolen shawls and scarves. Sikkim is famous for they wear colorful jewelry made up of beads. They wear colorful jewelry made up of beads. Now we can see about the Purvachal Hill Range. The northeast are the Purvachal Hill Range. It is also known as Eastern Hills. They are covered with dense forest, thick forest. Now we can see the life of this region. The Purvachal Range. Hill ranges include the northeastern states, namely the eastern part of Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Farming and weaving are the main occupation of the people. They grow rice, maize, potatoes, ginger, pulses and oilseeds. They also grow oranges, pineapple and bananas for sale in the market. Now we can see first Arunachal Pradesh. So, Arunachal Pradesh is famous for orchards and orchids. There the orchard garden are there and orchid gardens are also there. Some people do wood carving, carpet weaving and make bamboo can products. Itanagar, Zairo and Tawang are the few places of tourist attraction. Again, Itanagar, Zairo and Tawang are the few places of tourist attraction. Now we can see Nagaland. Apart from farming and weaving, wood carving and pottery are also important occupation. The Nagas wear shawls. The Nagas wear different design shawls. We can tell the tribe a Naga belong to form the design of he or his shawl. We can tell a tribe a Naga belong to from the design of on her or his shawl. The tourist attractions are Kohima and Dimapur. The tourist attraction of Nagaland is Kohima and Dimapur. Next, Manipur. A variety of fruits such as lychee, chestnut, walnut, papaya and passion fruits are grown in Manipur. They make articles from bamboo, can and leather. The Manipur dance is very popular. The tourist attraction is Impal and Ukrul. The tourist attraction is Impal and Ukrul. Now we can see about Mizoram. The Mizoram is the traditional farming of Mizoram has now been replaced with fruit and rose cultivation. The traditional farming of Mizoram has now been replaced with fruit and rose cultivation. Chapchar Kut is an important festival celebrated in March. Chapchar Kut is an important festival celebrated in March. And Chirau or the bamboo dance is an important part of Chapchar Kut festival. The Chirau or bamboo dance is an important part of the Chapchar Kut festival. Now we can see about Tripura. Jute, bamboo and rubber are grown in Tripura. Bamboo is used to make handicraft. People speak Bangla and Kokborak. The tourist attraction is Agartala and Unakoti. Now we can see about Meghalaya. People of this state belong to Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribes. People of this state belong to Garo, Khasi and Jaintia tribe. Khasi and Garo are widely spoken languages. Strawberry Festival. Strawberry Festival is a big tourist attraction. Cherrapunji and Shillong are popular places to visit. Now children, I think you would have been understood whole lesson. Just I'll recall the whole lesson. Okay children, now we can recall the full lesson, the main points of the lesson. See here. The northern mountain include the Himalaya, the Karakoram range and the Purvachal hill range. The northern mountain include the Himalaya, the Karakoram range and the Purvachal hill range. Next, the Himalayas have three parallel ranges, that is Greater Himalaya means Middle Himalaya or Lesser Himalaya means Himachal and Outer Himalaya means Shivalik. The Himalayas have three parallel ranges, Greater Himalaya, Middle Himalaya and Outer Himalayas. The northern mountain cover the union territories of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and the states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some parts of Arunachal Pradesh. The northern mountain cover the union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh and the states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Darjeeling in West Bengal and some parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Most of people are engaged in farming, shipwrecking and wood carving. The Purvachal hill range cover Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. The Purvachal hill ranges cover Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura and Meghalaya. Farming and weaving are the main occupation. Hope you all would have understood this lesson. Children, I will meet you with a new topic. Okay? Be active and keep learning. Thank you.